What if I told you making 10 million rupees, or about $120,000, in just 1 year isn't some get-rich-quick fantasy? It's a formula, a step-by-step plan based on behavior psychology, smart habits, and high-income skills. This isn't some hype from a finance guru yelling at you on social media. It's a calm, structured method written by Deepak Daiya in a book called 1 Crore in 365 Days. If you're someone who's tired of motivation and actually wants a system, you're gonna want to watch this. This book isn't just about making money. It's about understanding how your brain thinks about money and reprogramming it. Deepak Daiya breaks down the psychology of wealth. He explains that most people don't need more motivation. They need to stop following broken beliefs they were raised with. The title is bold, and he delivers. No fluff, no theory, just real, actionable strategies anyone can use, no matter where they're starting from. Here's why it works. It simplifies wealth building into clear phases. It connects behavior and income directly, and most importantly, it's designed for normal people, not already rich entrepreneurs. Let's start with the mental shift. Deepak argues that the way we're taught to think about money is completely backward. Instead of save to survive, the mindset should be learn to earn, then build to scale. He shows how our childhood, school system, and social circle shape us into believing money is hard, rich people are greedy, stability is better than growth. But real wealth, it comes from understanding that money follows value, not time, not effort. He gives a formula: skill times system, mapping wealth. In other words, learn a valuable skill, build a system around it, then scale that system to reach more people or automate income. And suddenly, $120,000 in a year doesn't seem like a fantasy. It becomes a milestone. Okay, so what does the actual plan look like? The book breaks the journey into 3 clear phases. Pick one high-value skill: digital marketing, content writing, trading, video editing, freelancing, coaching, whatever fits you. Focus on mastering just that. Forget multitasking. Start charging for it. Even if it's $10 per client, you've started the engine. Start creating systems. Your website, portfolio, automation tools, digital funnels. Set up lead magnets, capture emails, build a brand people can trust. The goal is automation, not just hard work. Scale your income. Raise prices, sell digital products, run ads, launch courses, delegate low-level work, reinvest your profits back into your growth. At this point, Deepak says your monthly income could reach 5 to 10 lakhs, $6,000 to $12,000 per month, depending on how well you execute. This isn't about luck, it's about systems. What makes the book even better? Real examples of people applying this plan. A 23-year-old turned her Instagram poetry page into a self-published book that sold 15,000 copies in 6 months. A freelance designer started with $50 projects on Fiverr and scaled to $6,000 per month after building a niche brand. A stay-at-home mom created a digital course teaching regional recipes and made over 10 lakhs, $12,000 in the first 90 days. The pattern here is knifing. None of them waited for permission. None of them had tons of money, but all of them focused deeply on one skill, one audience, one system. So let's break it down into 5 powerful takeaways. 1. Don't chase money. Build value, and money chases you. 2. Focus is your superpower. One skill, one system, 1 year. 3. Systems beat hustle. Period. 4. Mindset isn't motivation. It's your financial operating system. 5. Execution matters more than intelligence. If you apply just one of these ideas this year, your finances will shift. But apply all 5, and the 1 crore goal won't just be reachable, it'll feel inevitable. So, Can you really make $120,000 in 365 days? If you're looking for shortcuts, the answer is no. But if you're ready to put in focused effort, master a skill, build real systems, and grow consistently, then absolutely. This book is more than a promise. It's a challenge. And if you're still watching this video, you're exactly the kind of person who should take it seriously. Grab the book, study it, apply just one part. You don't need more YouTube videos. You need momentum. Drop a comment below. What's one skill you believe could take you to $10,000 per month in the next year? And hey, if you want a full breakdown or workbook based on this book, hit that like, subscribe, and stick around. This is just the beginning. Just imagine this. An average person earning around $400 to $700 a month. If someone told them you can make $120,000 in just 1 year, what would their first reaction be? That's the exact mindset this book challenges. 1 Crore in 365 Days by Deepak Daiya. The very first concept the author talks about is money psychology. And it's true. Making money isn't just about skill, it's a mindset game. How do you view money? What beliefs do you hold about wealth? Do you believe money only comes from hard work? Or do you believe that smart work, digital skills, and consistent action can grow money too? Deepak says this: if you carry guilt or fear around money, then no matter how hard you work, you'll never hit that six-figure mark. Mindset shift from employee thinking to entrepreneur thinking. A core idea in the book is the difference between the employee mindset and the entrepreneur mindset. Deepak explains that as long as we're stuck in a fixed income mentality, waiting for paychecks, expecting small raises, worrying about monthly bills, dreaming of 100K will always feel impossible. A business-minded person sees opportunity in everything. An employee sees risk in everything. This isn't a fluffy motivational book. It's a step-by-step guide. 1. Niche selection. Pick a topic that has high demand, low competition, and something you enjoy. 2. Digital business models. He explains real-world income options like affiliate marketing, online courses, ebooks, freelancing, and building digital agencies. 3. Audience building. How to build a personal brand on platforms like YouTube or Instagram, how to create valuable content, and how to earn trust. 4. Income mapping. A full roadmap to reach that six-figure goal with clear daily, weekly, and monthly income targets. 5. Execution calendar. A complete 365-day action plan listing what you need to do each day. $120,000 a year equals $329 a day. One powerful insight from the book: $120,000 sounds huge, but broken down, it's just $329 per day. Now think about this. If you sell a product or service that earns you $50 profit per sale, you just need 7 sales a day. Sounds hard? Maybe. But not impossible, especially if you use automation, ads, and content marketing to scale. The real challenge: staying consistent. Most people quit after 30 days because the results come slow, but this path requires discipline and patience. And here's the key: people believe that once they make 100K, their mindset will change. But the truth is, your mindset needs to change first, and then the money follows. Deepak shares real-life examples and case studies, people who built small blogs or Instagram pages and made thousands, how YouTubers used digital products to cross the six-figure mark. These stories are not just inspiring, they offer direction. So if you're serious about your financial goals, if you're focused on long-term wealth building, this book can be your blueprint. But remember, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is for people ready to dedicate 2 to 3 hours a day to create something valuable, whether it's a YouTube channel, Instagram brand, affiliate business, or a digital course. So the real question isn't, can you make $120,000 in 1 year? The real question is, are you willing to chase that goal every single day for 1 full year, without giving up? So, are you ready? If yes, let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.